It can quickly improve the color, fastness to washing more than one level. Although washed for several times, color is still as new as before. Specially researched and developed for chemical fiber fabrics. It is. Here we show it with one of our actual serving cases. Add a small dosage of auxiliary. Stir it fully and evenly. Apply the auxiliary fully on the fabric. Soak the dyed fabric thoroughly in water. By comparing, we can find that the polyester or cotton fabric, treated by high concentration fixing agent, for chemical fiber has better fixing effect. Its color fastness to washing is improved more than one level, and after wash, it is still as new as before. Nylon or spandex fabric dyed by black dyes also has very good fixing effect. Its color staining is improved 0.5 to 1 level, especially suitable for polyester, synthetic fiber fabric and polyester blends. Free sample is available for testing.